Hello again, my friends. As you can see, I will do the unboxing of the Holystone hs700d drone. It's a little bit older type of drone, but it's the first serious drone, GPS drone with brushless motors that I bought, and it's the drone that I still use, and I like it a lot. So I think since I have this footage, I should show you that and how to set up the drones. You have it all in manual, but if you don't want to read the manual, you can check this or other videos. So here we go. This drone is nicely packed in the styrofoam stuff, and be careful when you put it out, because in the back of this box is a controller, so be careful to not fall out when you handle it. So here you can see really good battery. It has a long pretty long flight. If it's ideal conditions, could be near the 20 minutes, but if it's windy, you can get from 16 to 18 minutes of flight time, so it's not bad. The downside is that the charging is, with this charger, is a little bit long, so you have to charge it for at least 4 or 5 hours, depends how drained is the battery. So the propellers are nice, and this system of how to put the propellers, I like it too. It's just a screw on, and this is the really good landing gear. It's like landing legs, and really easy to install. And the feel of the drone, it's really sturdy, and it's I must say very durable, and feels like very professionally made drone. So you will not be disappointed with the design and with the build of this drone. So it's really a great one. And here you have a camera. It's 2K camera, and for the video, and I think for the photos as well. So it's really easy to install. You just fix it here and put the plug in, and make sure that you fix it well. So the landing gear, I'm assembling it here the first time, so it took a while to figure it out how it's doing. But then when you put it twice up and down, you see it's really easy. You have to check it out the right position, and then you just turn it on and clip it on in the back, and that's it. It's really practical and easy. And also, you just screw on. So you have A, and this is the B motors, and you have all labeled like A and B, and you have to figure it out which one is which. And this is the phone holder for the controller, and you also get the little notebook, which is really, as a gift, which is a really good gesture of the Holy Stone. It's practical. You can, take a notes, and here are little tags if you want to or something, I don't know. And here is an extra for complete of the blade, and you can see in the back I have a controller. The controller, and this thing is for fixing the propellers. So controller is pretty, these antennas are just for a look, but if you want to put a holder for the phone, you just plug out this button, and then you fix the holder in, and you can adjust whatever you want. So it goes with the 4 AA batteries in the back. You install these batteries. It could be rechargeable or not rechargeable, depends what you prefer. And then you probably will need for the first time, you need to bind the drone and the controller. So you can do it like this. You hold the red button, and at the same time you switch it on, and then you turn on the drone, and then you hear the beeps, and you will see on your controller that you have all for the battery and for the drone indicator on. And now you have to do the calibration first. Every time you have to do the compass calibration, like I did it just right now, and that's pretty it about assembling, and all I didn't mention is this little thingy for the unscrew your propellers or to help to tighten up. It's also very practical. And now I will show you a little bit of flight footage of this drone, but disclaimer is that because I bought this drone, so I could put my action camera on it. So I did it, and this is the footage, because the action camera that I have can park with 30 has a pretty good image stabilization. So that's it for this time, and be sure to subscribe if you like this content, and make the notification bell for the next videos I will do with this drone. And thank